August 15, 24 Asad.
To our front!
Some days come and go in the long, unreturning journey of time, while others remain forever engraved on the pages of history as symbols of remembrance and pride. The 24th of Asad, August 15th, is one of those significant days in Afghanistan's contemporary history. It was on this day, in the year 1400 of the solar Hijri calendar, 2021, that Afghanistan's political system changed. Power was transferred to the Islamic Emirate, and the 20-year military presence and intervention of the United States, NATO, and their allies came to an end across the country. Great and historic days for a nation are not merely occasions to celebrate victory, they are also opportunities for reflection, learning, and building the future. Lasting independence gains its true meaning only when it is accompanied by peace, justice, knowledge, national unity, and public prosperity. Following this historic change, reconstruction, economic development, and the pursuit of self-reliance became among the country's foremost priorities. During this period, a number of road, bridge, and transportation infrastructure projects were implemented or rehabilitated, with increased attention given to improving travel and connectivity for people in various provinces. At the same time, extensive efforts were launched to make more effective use of water resources through the development of dams and irrigation projects, with the aim of strengthening the agricultural sector and ensuring better management of the country's water resources. In the field of industry and production, various initiatives were undertaken to increase domestic manufacturing, support the operation of factories, and encourage private investment. The objective was to strengthen the country's economic foundations, create more employment opportunities, and gradually move Afghanistan toward greater productive capacity. The mining, agriculture, trade, and transit sectors were also identified as key pillars of economic self-reliance. Through the management of natural resources, the expansion of exports, and support for domestic production, efforts were made to strengthen the national economy and reduce dependence on foreign assistance by relying more on the country's own capabilities. As Afghanistan moves toward becoming an independent and stable nation, its people hope that the reconstruction process will continue to strengthen, that the country's natural resources will be developed for the benefit of the nation, that economic opportunities will continue to grow, and that Afghanistan will advance more rapidly toward peace, stability, productivity, and self-sufficiency. August 15th is not merely the name of a political transition, it is regarded as the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. The true significance of this day will become even more evident when, in the near future, Afghanistan is built into a stable, prosperous, and self-reliant nation that depends on its own resources. The Islamic Emirate is working toward the goal of enabling the country to stand alongside its neighboring states and other nations of the world. With the help of Almighty Allah, and through the support, unity, and determination of the proud and courageous Afghan people, it is hoped that these aspirations will be achieved.